Today, I will be covering a new way of creating, viewing, sharing, and organizing video and audio playlists with Microsoft List. It presents a richer experience with the templates that are now provided. Now, if you're already on stream and you want to go ahead and create the list, you select create and then go to list. And that will take you to list. And obviously pops up with the templates. Or you could just type list, select list, it takes you to list, or if you're already in a list, good stuff. Now, what I'll do is select new list. As you can see, presents me with a bunch of templates, but the one that I'm looking to do is a playlist for videos. So I'll select playlist for videos, use this template, and then I'll give it a name, and I'll give it Microsoft MS Ignite 2022. I've done a number of videos last year, so I'll give it the same description. And what I want to do is to pull those videos into a group or listing that can be played back and shared with others with regards to Microsoft Ignite 2022. I'll go ahead and change the color, and I can change the icon, but I'll leave it to what it is now. And I can go ahead and share it anywhere else on SharePoint, but I'll keep it on my list for now. Select create. And now I have my list created. Next step is to actually add the videos. So I'll go ahead and select add new item. And I'll go again, it's presented with the same options in terms of saving or where I'm pulling the files from. For me, I prefer the list view because I've tagged all the MS Ignite videos with MS Ignite, so it's easy to pick from them. And you have to remember the order in which you're picking is in the order in which it will be played back to the person that's going through that playlist. So let's say I'm selecting these four. Select. And as you can see, they are populated. And once you click on them, it's presented to the side. You can go ahead and delete and then add whichever case may be. And that's how you manipulate. As far as that. Now, the other step is, who am I sharing this with? Now, this could be a case where you have employee onboarding and you have a bunch of videos that employee will need to understand step by step through the process of onboarding, my apologies. So in this case, I'm sharing it with, who am I sharing with? Specific person, person with the existing access, people within an organization, or anybody else. And that's what I would do. Based on the type of playlist, who am I sharing that playlist with? Who am I targeting? And once I share it, they have access to that, and that will be it. I hope this was informative for you. Have a good one.